This exam application tutorial is on covalent bonding. The question for 6 marks, using diamond and graphite as examples, explain how two substances that are made from the same type of atom can have very different properties. So, compare how carbon atoms are bonded in diamond and graphite and relate the differences in bonding to the unique properties of each. So they're both made from carbon atoms, but in diamond, carbon atoms in diamond share 4 bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4. This structure would continue going on and on and on. This makes diamond very hard. Carbon atoms in graphite are arranged in layers, and there are weak forces of attraction between each layer. So this describes the structure of graphite. Now let's relate it to the properties. Layers can slide off easily, making graphite suitable for pencil lead or lubricant. So because of this weak force of attraction, these sheets can just slide off very easily and leave marks on paper, for example. But also, carbon atoms in graphite share 3 bonds, not 4 bonds like in diamond, which leaves a spare electron or delocalized electron, an electron which isn't bound to the nucleus of an atom. It's free to move within the structure. You can see that here, this electron's moving around, whizzing around. And the property this gives graphite is that it can conduct electricity. So look, I've got description of the structure followed by the property it has. Description of the structure followed by the property. Description of the structure followed by the property. You may not necessarily have to write all these points to get the 6 marks, but I would write them all to basically ensure you get 6 marks.